Jesse with Maverick Contracting. We are at Nigam Bhattarai's house. Claim number is 200L0Q073-9824 Brittany Lane in Parkville, Maryland. We're going to be doing a repair on the rear slope of this roof. As you can see here, this is the wind damage shingle that we were going to be repairing. As you can see, it's creased, and these marks are the shingles I'm going to have to manipulate in order to get this shingle out. This is a relatively undamaged area of the roof. As you can see, there's no wind damage over here. We're going to be using the standard approved roof snake in order to get this shingle out. So I was trying to get this nail out right here, and the shingle, as you can see, it ripped through the shingle a slight bit.
See a bit of mat transfer.
right there with the soft dusting. Just the soft dusting of these loose granules right here. As you can see, it's starting to crease. A little bit right here as well. But with that and the nail ripping through of the shingle, that's going to be a failed repair. And this roof needs to be replaced.